How to fix TikTok comment photo option not showing. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that your app is updated to its latest version. Open up your App Store. In the search bar, you can go ahead and simply search for TikTok. Tap onto it and just like that, tap an update button if you have any. Once it is updated to its latest version, you can go ahead and simply open up TikTok application and go to any videos comment section. The photo comments feature is still running out, so older app version may not support it. Normally, you should see a small gallery of photo icon near the comment section. If the icon is missing, there are a few possible reasons. First, the creator may have disabled photo comment for that video. Second, the feature may not be available in your region or your account yet. You can even try clearing your TikTok cache. Tap on your profile icon, then tap on the three-line icon. Select Settings and Privacy, scroll below, then tap on Free App Space. Now select Clear beside Cache. After that, restart the app and check again. You can even try logging out of your account and back into your account. If nothing works, you can reinstall TikTok completely to refresh all features. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.